What do you get when you grill some colossal shrimp with lots of garlic, onions, and other vegetables? Well, you get one healthy and flavorful feast. Makes you want to dance, baby. Hey, welcome to Cooking with Sylv Mac, and today we're gonna make some colossal shrimp, and we're gonna grill it out of my Traeger grill with lots of vegetables and onions and garlic, and then we're gonna serve it up with some corn on the cob. So grab your glass of wine, and let's get to cooking, y'all. Okay, so here's what we're going to need to cook these colossal shrimp with. One of the things, because we're gonna cook it out on the grill, is this grill pan. I love these because it's got holes in it, so therefore the flames can still lick up if you have a charcoal grill, so you don't, you won't miss out on that flavor, that char flavor. And then too, it's easy cleanup because then you can just kind of lift it up and then go. But let me show you how big these shrimp are. They're huge. Look at it as the comparison to my hand. So we're gonna grill these up with some vegetables, mushrooms, onions, garlic, bell pepper, and lemon. And I just marinated it for about 2 hours in some olive oil and just put it here. And just put it into a Ziploc baggie, put it in the refrigerator. So now I've taken this out and I'm just gonna add it to the bowl. And we're going to season it up now with some Slap Ya Mama. And this is basically all you need. You can use this or any type of, I would say, Cajun seasoning, because that's what I'm gonna put in there. And then we're gonna take it out to the grill and start grilling, honey. All right, so now I'm out here at the grill. So I've got it nice and hot. And I've got it at about 400 degrees. Now, all you gotta do is dump this into already a preheated pan so you can hear the sizzle. Kind of want to layer it out and make sure that the shrimp, these big colossal shrimp, at least they're like on the grill. And you see I've got all kind of stuff in there. You can put anything in there that you would like. And we're going to close it up. They're really big shrimp, so I don't know how long it's going to take to cook. So I would say just keep an eye on them. Keep coming back and checking. And when the shrimp are completely pink and sort of opaque, then we know that they're done. Okay, so while the shrimp are out there cooking, we're gonna start cooking our corn on the cob. So it's a quick, easy recipe. 1 cup of whole milk, 1/2 cup of sugar, cover it with water, put it on medium. Make sure you check on it because it can boil over, so you wanna make sure that you keep it on medium, uncovered, otherwise it definitely will boil over and you'll have a mess. And you could actually cook this for maybe about 45 minutes to an hour. The beauty of this is, though, you don't have to worry about overcooking it. You could cook it for an hour and a half, 2 hours, and it's still gonna give you that same result. Those kernels just popping in your mouth. Okay, so I'm checking on the shrimp now, and I just put a little bit of olive oil onto the gigantic shrimp. And now what I want to do is I'm going to turn the shrimp. You can see they're getting a nice pink color. And I'm still going to give it a little bit of a stir with the vegetables. This is a late addition from my husband. He was like, throw some of that andouille sausage in there that we had from the other day. So I decided to throw those in as well. All right, everybody, fresh off the grill, check it out. Look at these colossal shrimp and the mushrooms and sausage and bell peppers and onions and garlic and everything else. So now all that's left, we gotta plate this puppy up with our corn and then we're gonna taste it. Makes you want to dance, baby. Did you hear that? I heard all that popping. Anyway, you've got to try this recipe. And for this recipe and all other recipes, please make sure to subscribe to my channel Also, give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments, and pass it on to your friends. You can also follow me on Facebook and on Instagram. Until next time, everybody, cheers.